If you want to keep growing as a coder, hit like, subscribe, and keep up with all the tutorials I post. In this video, I will walk you through a detailed example of JavaScript interacting with the HTML document object model, DOM, collections. DOM collections are a special type of object in JavaScript that let you interact with groups of DOM elements. These collections can be lists of elements, such as paragraphs or links, that you can manipulate in your web page. Here is a simple example to demonstrate how JavaScript works with DOM collections. The example shows how we can select a group of elements and modify them, like changing their text, styling, or adding new content. What this code does, when the page loads, it displays 3 paragraphs and a button. Initially, the paragraphs have different text. When the user clicks the Change Text button, the Change Text function is triggered, which changes the text of all paragraphs with the class message to "This is the new text." These are the paragraphs we will be working with, each having the same class, message. Using the same class allows us to target multiple elements at once. This is the button that will trigger the text change when clicked. The following line selects all elements with the class message. Document, get elements by class name, returns an HTML collection of matching elements. An HTML collection is a live collection, meaning that it automatically updates when the DOM changes, e.g., if new elements are added with the same class. We create a function called changeText to modify the text inside all the paragraphs. The for loop will go through each element in the message elements collection. The collection is live, so the length property will give the current number of elements. Message elements I accesses the individual paragraph at the current index I. Then, we modify its text content to "this is the new text." Text content is a property that sets or gets the text inside an element. We select the button by its ID using document, getElement by ID. This method returns a reference to the DOM element with a specified ID, which in this case is the button. We now set up an event listener on the button. The event listener listens for a click event on the button. When the button is clicked, it triggers the change text function. This allows us to interact with the page by dynamically changing the text when the user clicks the button. Explanation of the key elements. Message elements is a variable that holds the HTML collection of paragraphs. Change text is a function that updates the text content of the paragraphs. Button is a variable that refers to the button element that the user clicks. Add event listener is a method that listens for specific events, like a click, on an element and runs a function when that event occurs. Now run our code. Hey, welcome to the channel, and thank you for being part of this amazing community. If you're enjoying the content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe. By subscribing, you're joining a growing group of developers who are all here to learn and support each other. So hit that button, and let's keep growing together.